from Arden Progressive School. Welcome you all in this video. In this video we are going to start exercise 4.3. I'm starting from question number 6 onward because we have done question number 5 we have done in previous video. Okay, so directly I'm starting. What is question number 6? What is given to you? See, the diagonal of a rectangular field. Let us make a rectangular field. Okay, what they are saying, the diagonal. Okay, so diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than its shorter side. Let the shorter side is x. So what they are saying, diagonal is 60 meter more than its shorter side. And the next what they are saying, if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. Longer side is length. Okay. Find the sides of the field. तो हमें field की क्या निकालनी है? We have to find these two sides of a field. Okay. What we'll do directly, we'll just find the with Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So the first starting the writing method. Let the shorter side is x. Okay. Therefore, longer side is x plus 10 and diagonal is x plus 60. Then what will write? Using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Use diagonal square is equals to x square plus x plus 30 square. All of you knows how to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, equals to x square. Then again a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, this we have done. Now we have to solve it. X square to x square cancel out. I am sending all these terms this side. Okay, this side 0 will left. So what is that? X square plus 60x plus 900. Now this side minus 120x minus 3600 equals to 0. Now what you have to solve it? X square. These two are x term. So minus 60x minus these two are numbers. Solve it. 0 0 7 2 equals to 0. So this we got the quadratic equation. Okay. So we have to just split up 2700. Ones are 2700 in such a way so we will get 60. So what will that? 90 into 30. 9 3s are 27. 90 into 30 will do. The 2700 will come. And 90 minus 30 is 60. So you will do in rough column by taking the LCM factors you will take. So I am writing directly x square 90 into 30. Okay, minus 90 x plus 30x. Okay, plus minus minus I got 60. Minus 2700 equals to 0. Now we have to take the common from two terms. Let us take the common. Let us do. So now taking common from these two, x is common. So what will get? X minus 90. From these two I am taking plus 30 is common. So you get x minus 90 equals to 0. So then take x minus 90 common. So you will get x plus 30 equals to 0. When x minus 90 is 0, so x is equals to 90. And when x plus 30 is equals to 0, so therefore x is equals to minus 30. So what are x? X is the breadth. Okay, so the breadth cannot be negative, the length cannot be negative. So we'll write as length cannot be negative, therefore breadth is equals to 90 centimeter or meter. 90 unit I am writing if the no unit is given, and therefore length क्या थी I think 30 centimeter more. So you will get 30 centimeter more. So x 90 plus 30. So you will get 120 unit. Okay. So length and breadth, two sides you got the of this question. Okay. This was your question number 6. Okay. Now I am starting question number 7. Let us do. So let us start the 7th question. 7th question is given to you that the difference of squares of two number is 180 degree. Sorry, 180. So that means first number square. Okay, I am writing first square minus second number square is 180. ठीक है, the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number. अब smaller number कौन सा होगा? This will be smaller number. Second number. Why? Because we are subtracting the smaller from the greater. ऐसे ही तो करते हैं, बड़े से छोटा, छोटे से बड़ा तो माइनस ही कर देंगे. So what they are saying, the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. अब 8 times the larger number is the first number. So I am saying let the larger number is equals to x. तो first क्या हो जाएगा? Larger number minus smaller number is equals to 180 और then second 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So we have to find the two numbers. Okay. तो हमें दो numbers निकालने हैं. This is our first equation. This is our second equation. So from the first equation, what I get? Second square. Second number square. We'll send this side and 180 this side. So we'll get x square minus 180. Let me say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay. So from equation 1 and 2, left hand side are equal. So right hand side will also be equal. So I am writing from equation 1 and 2. This is clear. First what is given to you? The difference of two squares of two numbers. So that the first number is x. So square of the second number we don't know right now. Two numbers is 180 degrees. So we have just calculated the second number square. So 180 x minus 180 is the second square. Then we are given that the square of second number is 8 times the larger number. अब larger number कौन सा होगा? यही वाला. This will be the larger number. This we are given. Now see these two equation left hand side are equal. So right hand side will also be equal. X square minus 180 equals to 8x. Bring it this side. So x square minus 8x minus 180 equals to 0. Now we have to calculate it by splitting method. 180 ones are 180. 180 we have to split in such a way so we will get 8. So 18 tens are 180. ठीक है? So you will calculate in the graph also. You can do the factors. 18 tens are 180. So I am writing C minus 18x plus 10x. 18 tens are 180. Minus plus minus. 18 minus 10, 8. Minus 8. Okay? Minus 180 equals to 0. Take these two x common. So we will get x minus 18. Okay, plus I am taking 10 common. So x minus 18 equals to 0. Then x minus 18 is common. What is left? X plus 10 equals to 0. When x minus 18 equals to 0, you will get x equals to 18, and when x plus 10 equals to 0, we'll get x is equals to minus 10. What is x? X is the larger number. X is the larger number. So the number cannot be the negative. ठीक है, number यहाँ पे negative नहीं होगा. So because we are taking the square, so we are taking 18. So therefore x is equals to 18. Therefore x is equals to 18. So keep the value of x in this equation. Substituting value of x in equation 2. Okay. So we'll get the second square, second number also. Second number square is equals to 8 into x. Second square is equals to 8 into 18. 144 second square. So second number is equals to square root of 144. So second number is equals to 12. So therefore the two numbers are 18 and 12. So what you will write at the last? Therefore two numbers are 18 and 12. Okay, this is your question number 7. Okay, so hope you understand this question. I am starting question number 8 now. Okay, just let us see the question 8. So now the question number 8 is, what is given to you? The 8th question, see here. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. एक जो ट्रेन है वो ट्रेवल करती है, डिस्टेंस इज गिवन टू यू 360 किलोमीटर एट अ यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड, लेट द स्पीड इज x किलोमीटर पर आवर. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द स्पीड ट्रेवलिंग. इफ द स्पीड हैज बीन 5 किलोमीटर मोर, अगर दूसरे टाइम में द स्पीड इज 5 किलोमीटर मोर, 5 किलोमीटर की स्पीड बढ़ जाती है. ठीक है, तो व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, इट वुड हैव टेकन 1 hour लेस. तो ये 1 hour लेस लेता, तो टाइम विल बी, अगर यहाँ पर टाइम t आवर द ट्रेन कवर्स, तो यहाँ पर 1 hour लेस t minus 1 hour it will take. Okay, so now what they are saying, find the speed of the train. So you have to find the speed of the train. So what is given, two conditions are given to you. If the speed of train, if the train covers 360 km at a uniform speed in t times, and if the speed has been increased 5 km more, it will take 1 hour less. So ek hour. So find the time from here, find the time from here, equate there. Okay, so what we'll get, let the speed of a train equals to x kilometer per hour. Distance traveled by train is 360 kilometer. In first case, time is equals to distance upon speed, 360 upon x. Question number 1. Second case, when the time will be decreased 1 hour less, distance upon speed will become x plus 5. यहाँ पर लिख रहे हैं second case, sorry, for second case, when speed is 5 hours more. Okay, so you will get this. अब now you can find t from here. T is equals to 360 upon x plus 5 plus 1. Equation number 2. Now what you can do, from equation 1 and 2, left hand side are equal, right hand side will also be equal. From equation 1 and 2, what you will get, 360 upon x equals to 360 upon x plus 5 plus 1. Okay, let us solve this equation now. How will get this? This is clear to you. First time, find the time. Second time, t minus 1 hour, find the time, distance upon speed. Both side make them equal, and this side will be equal. Okay, so now I am taking the next one, solving it. So now we can solve it. Bring this side. So 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 is equals to 1. Take the LCM, x into x plus 5. Okay, so I am getting 360 into x plus 5 minus 360 into x. LCM, I think you knows how to take the LCM. X is here, x plus 5 you will multiply, x plus 5 is here, so x is left, you will multiply it by x, equals to 1. Now from the numerator you can take 360 common. 360 common I am taking. Inside you got x plus 5 minus 1. Sorry, x. Send it this side. X into x plus 5. So 360 x to x cancel into 5 is equals to x square plus 5x. Send it this side. After multiplying, x square plus 5x minus 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, carry over 3, 1 8 equals to 0. So you will get this Now you have to do it by splitting method. 1800 you have to split in such that you will get plus 5. 2 9s are 18, double 0. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 0. Then they are doing it by 5 9s are 45 and 0. 5 1s are 5, 4 5 8s are 40. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So I have to split in such a way so I will get plus 5. Okay. So see, 5 5s are 25. Okay. And this I cannot do. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Equal I have to do, है ना? 8 5s are 40 into 5 3s are 15 into 45. 45 into 40 I'll do, so I'll get plus 5. So x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 100 and 1800 equals to 0. Take common, x plus 45 and then minus 40 common, x plus 45 equals to 0. Okay. So now if I solve it, what should I get? See. So when we do it, so we'll get x plus 45 into x minus 40 equals to 0. When x plus 45 equals to 0, we'll get x is equals to minus 45, and when x minus 40 equals to 0, we'll get x is equals to 40. And what is x? X is the speed of the train. So speed of the train cannot be negative, therefore the speed of the train will be 40 km per hour. So we'll write as speed cannot be negative. Negative होगी तो क्या होगा? बस रुक के पीछे चल जाएगी. Negative. Therefore speed of train is 40 km per hour. Okay. So this is your question number 8. In this video we are doing only till question number 8. 9, 10th and 11th question we will do in the next video. Okay. So for your comfort only I am doing till 3 question here so that it will be little easy for you. Okay. So now we are finishing completing this video here only. Please do like and subscribe the video and channel, and plus most important, do practice. That is the important thing for you all. Okay. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.